In this court, truth must prevail and justice must reign. Every journey deserves safety, trust, and vision, and I'm here to make the skies yours. Welcome to a world of flavors you'll always crave. Taste the difference with us today.
Hello guys, welcome back into another edition of my tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you on how to use these free AI tools on how to generate realistic images and how to convert it into video. These free tools are Nano, Banana and Veo 3. This is a kind of tutorial you shouldn't miss out. Now let's get it started.
Yes, so that guys, you want to generate your image, your realistic image that look exactly like you by making use of Nano Banana. You have to generate your script first with the use of ChatGPT. I won't dwell much on this because my main point of this video is how to convert your image to video generation. But for the purpose of those people watching my video tutorial for the first time, I will just quickly brush you through on how to do this. Now, the first thing, you have to go to your ChatGPT. Now, make use of ChatGPT to write in your prompt, because your prompt is the main instruction you give to Nano Banana, and that's what Nano Banana is going to use to generate your realistic image. Now, how do I do that? How do you do that? So you click on this sign button, and then once you just click on this sign button, so sorry, I've exhausted my free plan for today. It's going to show you photo. Then you click on the photo, and then you just write something like generate the prompt for this image. Generate the prompt for this image. That's just it. So now look at it. This is the prompt it brought out for me. So a professional studio portrait of a young African female lawyer wearing a traditional black barrister gown with a white robe. Now at the end of it, this is the prompt it's brought out for me. So now one thing you have to do is you have to copy it. So you copy it. Now look at it. This is the copy. So once you copy it, you can see this is the copy. Yes, so you copy it. Then we go to our Nano Banana to generate our realistic image. So now this is our Nano Banana. As I've said that I already have a full video tutorial on how to generate your realistic image, so you watch it in my YouTube channel. So now how do you do that? So you go to your Chrome or go to your web browser and then type in, this is LMarean.ai. So you look at this direct chat. So you look at it, then you click on direct chat. So once you have done that, don't forget our prompt that we have copied from ChatGPT. Look at this place, image. Then you click on this sign button. This sign button, then you upload the image which you actually want LMarean to make the image to look exactly like you. This is the outcome of it. You can see this is the outcome of the image. Now the prompt we have copied from ChatGPT. Then you look at this place, describe the image you want to generate. Then you paste it here. Now you can see this is the result of it. So I said, making use of the uploaded image, create a professional studio portrait of a young African female lawyer. And look at it. I opened bracket. I said, use the uploaded image consistent character wearing blah blah blah. So look at it. The main key point here is making use of the uploaded image to create a professional studio. And look at it. I say use the uploaded image consistent character. Why did I make use of those words? Why I make use of those words is because I want the image that LMarean, also known as Nano Banana, to generate for me to look exactly like me. Look at the result. Look at the result. So it is still the same procedure which I used to generate that of the chef too. Look at that of the chef too. This is that of the chef too. It's still loading. This is that of the chef too. Now look at it. This is it here. Let me just scroll up a little bit. Yes, look at it here. It is still the same procedure. It is still the same procedure. Just click here and then click on upload image. Once you have done that, then come here, you paste your prompt. Look at it. I said, making use of the uploaded image, create a professional studio portrait of a young African female chef. Look at my prompt again. I said, use the uploaded image consistent character, because I want my image to look, I want the image to look exactly like me. So look at it. So this is how to generate your image, making use of Nano Banana. You can use LMarean. Look at it here. Look at my cursor, LMarean or your Gemini. I already have a full video tutorial on how to generate that. So now let's go to the next point. We've been able to generate our image, and you can see that the videos you saw at the introductory part of this tutorial, they look exactly like me. So that's how to generate your image. Now we want to convert our image now to videos. Yes, because the main point of this is the main part of this tutorial is we want to generate our image and then convert it to video so that it will look exactly like you. So now what I did was, now let me take you through on the first thing I did first, so that you're able to get the main idea or how to generate the word of what you actually want your character to say. What you actually want your character to say, because the main point of this thing is the word. Now look at it here. Look at it. Yes, I said rewrite this for me. An interesting word that a chef will actually want to say will say to capture the attention of her customer. ChatGPT brought it out for me. I'm not okay with this. Then I went ahead. I said, rewrite this for me. An interesting word that the chef we use to capture the attention of our customer in form of video generation. I want to prompt it into VEO3 because that is the tool I want to use, because I want it to convert it from image to video for me, and I want VEO3 to still maintain that the image I am going to put into it. So now it brought this out for me as well. So I am not still satisfied with it. So now it brought this. Now at the end of it, I was able to get this. So now look at it here. Look at something here. So ChatGPT now asked me that, do you want me to give a ready to use VEO3 video prompts? So I said yes. So look at it now. It brought this out for me. Fine, I am okay with this. Now look at it. A cinematic food inspired scene where a modern chef with a confident smile is standing in a warmly light kitchen. The camera slowly zoom in, a bold glowing text appear at the center of the frame. Look at this word. Look at my cursor here. Crave. The word shines with the golden light, surrounded by a subtle steam rising from delicious dishes, creating an irresistible atmosphere. Now, the main thing I want you to focus now here is starting from this crave, because this is what I actually want my character, like me, to say. Now all this one, a camera zoom, a cinematic, this thing, I don't really need it. So now you have to start from this place, from this crave now to the point of excited, and then you copied it. Do you get that? Now you copied it. So once you have copied, and so now we now go to our VEO3, then we change it from image to video. That is what I actually use for each of the videos you saw at the introductory part of this video. So now I went ahead. This is that of the chef. So look at it again. So once ChatGPT has brought out the video for you, the video write-up for you, once you're okay with it, now look at it now. I said, let us say something in form of marketing our brand to capture our customer, blah blah blah. So this is it here. So this is for this is for that of the chef. So now look at it now. I went ahead and I said, rewrite it for barista who is inside the court and wants justice to reign. So look at it. So once ChatGPT is able to give you what the write-up of what you actually want your character to say, then you can keep prompting it. You can keep prompting it to change it to different character you actually want. Look at it now. I want it now to prompt it for me for that of barista. So look at it now. This is that of the barista here. So look at it here. This is that of the barista. So that means starting from this justice to this cream, that is what I'm going to copy, because that is the word I want my character to say. Starting from this starting from this cinematic to I don't need it, because my characters are already ready. So applicable to it, I went ahead now, look at it, and I said, well, once it gave me that, I said it said add character movements to it. She walk from one place to another, but she's still inside the room. So ChatGPT actually like. So now look at this place now. So now let me now walk you through. So this is it here. So let me walk you through. Now I said you write it for a captain, which is pilot. Now look at it. Write it for a captain, which is pilot. So look at it now. So that means starting from here, this is where I am going to crop, because this is what I actually want my character to say. So it said a cinematic airport scene with a cool, I don't need that one. Okay. Yes, let me start my prompt here. So look at it here, from here. Yes, this is where I actually want. So you click on, you copied it. So once you have copied that, then you go to your Chrome or your web browser, and then you type in your VEO. So you type in your VEO. So you type in your
If you're actually getting value from this video, why can't you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and make a comment?
that of the court first, that of the barrister first. This is that of the barrister. So you can see, you just copy this first. You copy this. Once you have copied it, so now let's go to our VEO3. This is VEO3 here. Now this is it here. So the first thing you have to do is you have to click on this frame to video rather. You click on this frame to video, then you paste your prompt. Once you paste your prompt, so once you have pasted your prompt, then you look at this plus sign button here, and then upload your image. This is the image I actually want to use. So click on it. So once you have clicked on it, now look at this my plus sign button here. You have to look at it. It must be in VO3 fast, and it must be in landscape. So once you have done that, you click on this sign button, and then you give it some time to generate. So now look at it now. Look at the end result of it.
In this court, truth must prevail and justice must reign.
So look at that.
In this court,
So once
truth must prevail.
it has generated, then you download your video. So now let's go to another interface of it. Still using the same method. Now look at it. I said rewrite it for a captain. So still using the same write up for it, but for different character now. So look at it now. Look at it here. I want to see where my okay. So now let me just click on, starting from this, the camera flow. Then you click on copy. You copy that. So now let's go to our VEO3 now. So you go to your web browser. And then you click on VEO3. This is VEO3 here. Don't forget, it must be in this model rather. So you click on try in flow. Then you click on create with flow. So you click on create with flow. So click on new project. And then first of all paste your prompt. So I've pasted my prompt. Now this text to video, you change it to frame to video, because we actually want my image to look like me and to talk like me. Don't forget, our prompt was, I think, that of the captain rather. Okay, to the captain. Then you click on upload. Yes, I agree. I agree, I agree, I agree. So here is my captain character. Okay, you click on it, then you click on open. Yes, so you click on open. So click on crop and save. You click on crop and save. Click on crop and save. So let's wait a little bit, it's still loading. I think I have challenge with network right now. Okay, now so this is it here. This is it here. So you say you use the word, use the uploaded image given. Use the uploaded image given, then you put semicolon here. So now look at this my point. Look at this my cursor here. Look at this my cursor here. Then you click on, sorry, you write here. You write she says this. You can see. Then you put you give it a quote. You give it a quote. You give it a quotation mark. So look here. You have to make sure that it's in VO3, the landscape. Then you click on this arrow sign. So let's wait for it a little bit. Wow, it has generated. So now let's play it and let's listen to it.
Every journey deserves safety, trust, and vision, and I'm here to make the skies yours.
Wow.
Every journey deserves safety, trust, and vision, and I'm here to make the skies yours.
So now once you are okay with it, once that's generated it for, so look at the download sign button, then you click on original size, then you download it. So now let's go to another image of mine I use, still following the same procedure. So still following the same procedure, still following. So we've done that of the captain. So that now look at it here. Look at it. I said write it for a chorister who sings sonorously. So I'm going to start with this. Yup, this starting from this camera here. Then you click on copy. Click on copy as well. Then you go to your VO3 as well. Go into your VO3 as well. So still the same procedure. So you click on, you paste it. Don't forget it must be in frame to video, a chorister now. So let me upload a chorister. Of course, I agree. I agree. I agree. This is Mommy Geo here. She wants to sing for us. She wants to sing for us. Mommy Geo here. So now copy and save. So this is copy and save here. Copy and save here. So don't forget, you have to look at it here. VO3 first. Then you click on that generates. You click on generate. What Mommy Geo has for us.
Let every voice rise, let every heart worship, for in his presence. Let every voice rise, let every heart worship, for in his presence. Let every.
So now you go to this download sign button, then you download it. So now applicable to the last but not the least, I'm going to show you. So still the same procedure. Still the same procedure. So let's copy our prompt as well. So this one is for the fashion model. So I'm going to start my copy from camera row. Sorry, camera follow. Click on copy. Click on copy. So go to your VO3 as well. Go to your VO3 as well. Then you paste your prompt. Don't forget it must still be in this frame to video. So now let's upload our image. Of course I agree. So now that of the fashion model. Okay, so that of the fashion model. So now copy and save as well. Then let's wait for it, it's still loading. So you click this as well. Oh,
It's identity, it's power, it's you. Fashion.
so that is it. Then you just click on this download sign button here and it automatically download into your device. So if you have any question to ask me, kindly drop it inside the comment section. Bye. See you in our next tutorial.
Calling out where life begins, round and round the summer spin.